Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value, and if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
And we are live this morning. Miss Emma is with me bright and early on a Friday. We've got the micro E-mini futures trading. Miss Emma, talk to us a little bit about what we can expect today.
Hello, good morning. Happy Friday. What we actually to our viewers today, what we can expect is we are still working on the crypto trade, training our mentorship with our students. Plus today, we are hoping and praying that the market will be a good market for everybody to trade so that everyone can learn on how to do the basic crypto trade training. So stay tuned with us today as we start our morning into crypto trade.
Former Nobel Prize student reveals how $500 becomes 50 KLA using secret wealth pillars. Meet Dr. Cam Todd, known as the Crypto Samurai. He studied under Robert Shiller, the Nobel Prize-winning Yale economist who predicted both the dot-com crash and the housing bubble. Now, Dr. Todd has written 7 books on cryptocurrency and blockchain, and he's taking that elite-level knowledge to the masses. Operating from Puerto Rico under Act 60, he's developed the 3 pillars of wealth system that transforms small investments into substantial returns. His mission? To give everyday investors the same tools and strategies that the financial elite use to build generational wealth. If you're ready to think like the pros and turn your modest savings into real wealth, the Crypto Samurai is about to show you exactly how it's done.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, so what we've got going on this morning so far, I'll just walk you through the first few steps, is that we've entered into a trade earlier, about 5 minutes ago, in anticipation for the market, and we're up just a few dollars, already $20 plus or so on the market. We entered into a trade on the long side, and long means we're looking to buy low and sell high. We are trading the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100, which we like to trade. It's one of my favorites. We can trade anything. We can trade stocks, we can trade commodities, we can trade crypto, but the risk versus reward on the micro E-minis is just amazing. I do want to point out this morning something that I seem to gloss over on a regular basis, and that is, how do you set your trade so that you can profit more often than you lose? And the answer to that is you set a stop loss. So your stop loss is set right down here. I currently have the stop loss set at $500. I have a $500 account, so naturally that's, we don't want to lose all the way down to blowing the account out. Then I set the take profit up here at 1,000. So that's called a 2-to-1 risk versus reward ratio. And what we're looking for is about 9:30, so about 4 minutes from now, we're expecting the market to open. And when the market opens, it's going to have a pop, a jump, and it's going to travel up. Hopefully, it's going to travel up. It's going to trade up for long, and it could go all the way up to $1,000 and take profit out. If it does go short or red and goes down, then the absolute most it could affect us is $500 before it hits the stop loss. Now I could adjust this stop loss up to $250 or $100, whatever I feel like I can afford to lose, because you're using discretionary income here, allegedly. Now today we're, of course, naturally we are in the TradingView simulator, so these are all virtual figures anyway. What you want to do is you want to keep your very own records of your daily patterns of trade. And when those daily patterns work out for you in your trading, and then basically if you're making $1,000 a day or $2,500 a day or $5,000 a day, and you continue to trade up, you continue to trade positive, you continue to make money, then you might at some point look into wanting to open your own trading account and then use those same principles, your same methods, gleaned from myself or from whoever you might find on YouTube or wherever. You can spend all the time in the world you want trading and finding other people's ideas on what they think is the magic formula. Truthfully, I've never found anything that works better than getting in here, getting your TradingView account started, and just working on your own routine. Write down what works for you. It's a lot like exercise and fitness. There's no one size fits all. You just have to get in there and try it. We are up $200 so far today. We're heading for that $1,000 mark up there. You can see the green candles are trading steady. And with that, we've got a brand new sponsor. Ibarguen Home Health is with us today, and we are going to play a little information for them. They are a home health program here in Puerto Rico, and it is a bilingual message, hoping that you reach out if you need these sort of services. Remember that our sponsors are what allow us to be here.
When home feels safer than the hospital, cuando el hogar se siente más seguro que el hospital, we bring expert care to you. Llevamos atención experta a tu hogar. Welcome to Ibarguen Home Support. Bienvenidos a Ibarguen Home Support, where we care with love and commitment, donde cuidamos con amor y compromiso. We provide home or hospital care, cuidado en casa o en hospital, personal and household assistance, asistencia personal y del hogar, appointment, accompaniment, acompañamiento a citas, professional medication administration, administración profesional de medicamentos, early health assessments, evaluaciones tempranas de salud, with the expertise of Miss Martha Ibarguen, registered nurse, con la experiencia de la enfermera registrada, Martha Ibarguen. Your family receives the compassionate care they deserve. Tu familia recibe el cuidado compasivo que merece. Call 939-209-6767. Llame al 939-209-6767. Everything seems impossible until it's done. Todo parece impossible hasta que se hace.
And we're back. You can see the candle starting to trade. The market opened up. It looked like it traded down. But now, the great thing about the market is as fast as that big red candle drops down, you can pull back up and go trade in the up cycle. So what we're going to do, naturally, if it goes all the way down there to $500 and times trades us out, then it would be out of the market. But we are going to need to wait for that, because it can just as quickly do what we call as a retracement. Now, naturally, when the market opens every morning, you have about a 50-50 chance. There's no way of telling whether it's going to open up or whether it's going to open green. The only thing you can handle when it starts trading is how much do you want to invest before it turns around and starts to go in your favor. So we'll watch it for a few minutes, and as we watch it, if it doesn't go down and stop loss us out, then we'll still be in the game. It can pull out, and it's going to, more often than not, it's a bull market, and you will recapture and go ahead and gain your profit. But in the meantime, play a little information about our program, and we'll be right back with you after that. I have a little issues with my mouse here. There we go. While you're gambling on stocks, I'm building generational wealth systematically. Most people chase hot tips hoping to get lucky. Real wealth follows 3 pillars: build bulletproof credit, secure smart business funding, master risk-free trading in commodities, stocks, and crypto. This isn't gambling, it's systematic wealth building. Join our free Zoom class where I break down exactly how this works. No sales pitch, pure education. Stop gambling with your future and start building it systematically.
Your personal credit is destroyed, but your business credit could be perfect. Here's what most business owners don't realize. Your business credit runs on a completely separate system from your personal credit. While your personal credit uses your social security number, business credit builds on your employer identification number. That means you can have perfect business credit, even if your personal credit is terrible. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors specializes in building business credit fast. We set up everything you need: business phone, business address, and start building your credit immediately with our expert team guiding you every step. Right now, we're offering our $3,000 program for just $1,000, but only for the next 20 applicants. Don't let your personal credit mistakes hold your business back any longer. Call us at 208-417-5655 or visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com to get started today.
And we're back. We can see that the red candles are trading down, but you do see the retracement back into green. As what it does is what we call settles out, and that's when all the institutional investors are done. They've entered their trade up here when it went negative, and they've made money trading on the short side, and now it's rallying and it's going to go back up to the blue. While it's doing that, we'll hear from our good friends over there at Paradise Falls Taxi.
My taxi driver just showed me a beach that's not on Google Maps. And that's when I realized Paradise Falls Taxi isn't just about getting from point A to point B. These drivers are your local insiders in Rincon, Puerto Rico. They know the hidden gems, the best photo spots, and exactly when to avoid tourist crowds. Available 24/7 with bilingual service, whether you need an airport pickup, a quick ride around town, or a tour of beaches you'll never find on your own. Check their app for pricing and book your ride. Because sometimes the best part of your trip isn't the destination,
it's who's driving you there.
Paradise Falls Taxi Service, your gateway to the real Puerto Rico.
Now, another thing to think of also is when you see that it's trading down, you're always more than welcome to click the button right up here that switches directions, and you can trade down as well. Now, I don't recommend that on a regular basis because you might as well wait till it settles out and go ahead and trade the green or the long candles coming back up. But it's completely up to you. That's an option. When you click that button, you will switch directions. You will lose any investment that you've had in the meantime, that difference between the blue line and the green reconciliation down here. And as you can see, the green candle's turning back green again, and he had an up, just like I had mentioned earlier. That's the way, that's the nature of the beast. That's just what it's going to do. So now all of us that are trading long are waiting for it to get up here, hit the blue, and continue up to our profit. All right, so the opening might have went in an opposite direction than we were anticipating. We don't really care. We wait for it to bottom out. Then it follows the natural course of things. It starts with a small green, a medium green, and then a long green candle, and it will continue to trade up. We're going to wait just a few minutes. And while that's going on, we're going to talk to our good friends over at Connect PR Church in Aguada. Don't hesitate to swing by Aguada. It's in the Rotary Club over there in Aguada, is Connect PR Church.
Welcome to Connect PR,
Bienvenidos a Connect PR,
a bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico,
una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico,
where faith is alive and worship is modern,
donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna,
and everyone is welcome.
y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, We believe church should feel like home,
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar,
a place to connect with God and with people,
un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas
and grow in purpose and community.
y crecer en propósito y comunidad.
Led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton
Guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton
and Pastor Camila Raza,
y la pastora Camille Rosa,
we're building a life-giving church with passionate worship,
estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada,
relevant teaching, and real relationships.
enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak,
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables,
there's a place for you here.
aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR,
Esto es Connect PR,
where faith, life, and community connect.
donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
And we are watching these green and red candles battle it out here. And while we do that, we're going to talk a little bit about what's up in Rincon. So we've got 1 or 2 more days left of this week. Let's find out what's going
7
on.
days, endless beats. Rincon's biggest music and culture festival drops this February. From February 16th to the 22nd, What's Up Rincon transforms Puerto Rico into your ultimate cultural playground. Monday kicks off with karaoke at La Estacion and drawing classes in Isabela. Tuesday brings live music at Nacho Libre and happy hour at Shipwreck. Wednesday explodes with art and music in Mayaguez and artisan nights in Isabela. Thursday features art walks in Rincon's public plaza and salsa classes in Aguada. Friday heats up with salsa dancing in Isabela and artisan nights in Anasco. Weekend warriors can hit farmers markets in Aguadilla and Rincon, plus craft markets and bingo at Caddy's Calypso Cafe. Call 1-877-54-63252 for special requests. Welcome to Paradise Island Radio Station, where the beats never stop.
And we're back. So naturally, our green candles are trading up. And we're going to watch that for just a minute. And as that climbs up, we're going to hear a little bit about our latest package with Credit Suite Business Credit Repair.
Your personal credit is destroyed, but your business credit could be perfect. Here's what most business owners don't realize. Your business credit runs on a completely separate system from your personal credit. While your personal credit uses your social security number, business credit builds on your employer identification number. That means you can have perfect business credit, even if your personal credit is terrible. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors specializes in building business credit fast. We set up everything you need: business phone, business address, and start building your credit immediately with our expert team guiding you every step. Right now, we're offering our $3,000 program for just $1,000, but only for the next 20 applicants. Don't let your personal credit mistakes hold your business back any longer. Call us at 208-417-5655 or visit elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com to get started today.
All right, we're back. And it traded when the red candles went down. We saw 3 green candles go up, a little bit of a retracement. Green candles coming over, red candles going up. They're having a little bit of a battle today. Not a problem. It's still not down there to tag us out on our stop loss. Again, when you set your green lines on the top, that's called a take profit or a TP. On the bottom, it's called a stop loss or an SL. And that your stop loss is to keep you from losing any more money than a little bit. And your take profit is whatever you think the ceiling needs to be on that day's profit. With that, we'll pop over here to RCR World Travel.
Everyone said I was crazy to book Egypt, but when I stepped off that plane in Cairo, I knew they were wrong. 4 incredible destinations in one trip. The pyramids of Giza left me speechless. Luxor's ancient temples told stories thousands of years old. Then came the Nile cruise. Watching feluccas sail past while I dined on deck was pure magic. And Hurghada? Crystal clear Red Sea waters perfect for diving and relaxation. RCR Global handled everything. Flights, transfers, English-speaking guides, meals, starting at $51.95 per person, with flexible dates available. But here's the thing. Seating is limited. Don't let everyone else talk you out of the adventure of a lifetime. Call 833-477-7477 today.
And we are back. once again, we want to highlight the fact that we do all sorts of advertising for just absolutely anybody. If you're a musician, an artist of any kind in the Rincon or in the Puerto Rico, entire island of Puerto Rico, don't hesitate to contact us. By contacting us, we will do an advertising bundle for you for absolutely free. Okay, with that in mind, let's go ahead and hear from another package that we feature that's really special to us. It's the Dispute Beast Credit Repair Program.
This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund. Even small amounts done consistently will stack faster than you ever think. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the one.
And we're back. You can see that we are on the plus or the positive side. We're up several dollars on the positive side of the trade. We've got our stop loss set there. That yellow is the stop loss, and then our take profit is up here. As we always mention, you can set your stop loss for the minimum amount that you want to lose, and you set your take profit where you think the profit needs to be. With that, we'll learn a little something about our program, and we'll be right back.
What I wish I knew at 25 instead of 35. Credit Mastery is a game changer. Welcome to Credit Mastery by Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Our free Zoom seminar is your gateway to financial freedom. With Dispute Beast Credit Monitoring, you get the most effective AI-powered credit repair tool on the market. Imagine boosting your credit score with ease, speed, and affordability. Dispute Beast generates dispute letters for you and monitors your credit across all 3 bureaus. Plus, there's a 110% money-back guarantee if your score doesn't improve within a year. How's that for confidence? Don't let a poor credit score hold you back. Join our Credit Mastery seminar and unlock your financial potential today. Whether you're looking for a free solution or a bundled package that fits your budget, we've got you covered. Call 1-939-739-4045 or fill out our contact form to arrange your Zoom appointment. Don't wait. Take control of your credit future now.
Miss Emma, tell us all about the packages we have available and what's going on, and then we'll pop off and we'll see them again. It won't be tonight because it's Friday. There's no Friday night trading, but it will be Sunday night at 7.
Okay, well, sir, yes, thank you so much for joining us today. And I'd like to encourage everybody watching our stream or anyone that will be watching this video on our YouTube channel. Stop watching others win. Join our crypto trade training and credit mastery program and learn how to trade with us with confidence, build power, credit, create a real financial leverage. So we don't actually teach hype, strategy, we teach strategy, execution, and the real results in the crypto trade training. So enroll now. Your future is waiting. So you just need to contact us at 877-587-4540. And you can also reserve your slot on our website, www.elitecreditandinvestmentadvisor.com. Go to our contact form and put your information there so that you can reserve your slot, or please call me for a free consultation on the Credit Mastery program. We have different affordable packages that you can enroll and start with. So join now so that you can start learning in crypto trade training. God bless everyone. See you on Monday.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anaida Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.